this is our lesson 7 tutorial for DreamWeaver, and it is about what is left out of the DreamWeaver and also how to publish the page after we finish all of our job. So hopefully you enjoy. This is a short lesson. It will not take time, no efforts. We're almost there. There will be a last tutorial that will talk about ACA exam preparation. I will list some of the important questions that might come in the exam as per my experience. Okay, so today we are going to explain how to create a website template and how to insert a video, insert an audio, roll over images, and finally publishing a website. Of course, by finishing this course you will be an intermediate level holders. Okay, so you'll have knowing like 75% of Dreamweaver. We almost finished most of the menus and panels available. So first of all, I'm going to teach you how to insert a video into our website, okay, or web page. So let's get started. We have a page here, and before I start, I just want to tell everyone here, every time you create an individual website, you must go to site and then create a new site and create a folder that is images in the root. I will do it quickly in front of you. Let's say this is a website. After you create this, you pick the folder wherever you want to put it or to save it, and then go to the advanced setting in the local folder, browse it and name it as images. Okay, so everything will be saved, your life will become easier. I explained this one in tutorial 4, and just I wanted to remind you. So inserting a video, we will use the insert menu that is available in the menu bar. Of course we will go to the insert, there is the option HTML, and inside HTML we have a lot of different things that we can insert. Some of them we will take later in the next phase of tutorial, which is web development, and some of them we will take today. Most of them we already took. If you see, most of these tags are taken. Now today I'm going to introduce you to how to insert an HTML video. So simply, if you click this one, you will find a video icon that is inserted on the web page, and the properties panel will be also activated as per this video selected. So we have different type of properties here. The first one is width and height of the video. So you can specify if the resolution is very high, you can make it look smaller. You can also get the source of the video, so you need to browse and go and search. For example, in the downloads I have, I think, some of the videos. Okay, we have something. Let's pick some. Okay, let's say this one, and we'll click yes. Now my video is here. It's asking me where do you want to save it. Okay, this is when you create a website, this is the advantage. So it's asking me where do you want to put it. Yes, this is my website I just created now before the tutorial. So let's say I will put it in the images and save. Now my video will be inserted inside here. And also I can specify the poster of this video. So for example, if you want to put a thumbnail that will represent the video, you will click this and you will just pick any thumbnail that you have or you like. I'll pick one of mine. Let's say this one, and this will be my thumbnail of the video. Of course, if you just type OK, you will save it again in the images, and after that you can play with the width and height of the picture. So let's say we are going to make it like 300 by 200 to make it a smaller version of the video. So let's test my work. If you want to test it, you need to save your file, which is called multimedia. I name it as multimedia. And then you can go another way for testing. You can click on this and show it on Safari. So if you see, this is the thumbnail I chosen, and there is a play button that I need to click on. If I simply click on this one, the video will start playing. Of course, the resolution is the 300 pixel by 200 pixel. Okay, you can change it as you like. So for example, if I go back to the DreamWeaver and I increase the width 600 by 400, okay, and I save my work, again I went to this part and preview it in Firefox or Safari, you will find a bigger video display. Okay. Some of other properties here is the title of the video. So if you type anything here, let's say education, this will be shown in the video. So if you just pass your mouse over the picture or the thumbnail, you will find the word education is there. So it's like kind of guidance. Hopefully this is clear, because I'm going to move to the next one, which is inserting an audio. Inserting an audio is the same thing exactly. We will go to the insert menu, go to the HTML, and here we can find something called audio, but let me search for it. Yeah, HTML5 audio. The same options are here. So if you want, you can go to the source of the file. You can pick any music, any MP3 music or any audio file that you have on your desktop. Okay, I'll just take okay, this song or this music, and I will insert it here. It will ask me where do you want to save it. I also want to save it into images, or you can create another folder that is called let's say multimedia or something. If I save and go back to my page and refresh, I will find that there is also an audio bar here that I can also play and listen to my music easily. Okay, this is also if you want to play some kind of recording, if you want the user to listen to some notes, voice note or some comments, you can also use this. Okay, the next thing is to create a rollover image. Now, a rollover image is the image that changes frequently when you point the mouse on it, and it's a very nice and interesting feature that is developed by DreamWeaver. Let's try it. If you want to insert it, I will do the same thing. Go to HTML and I will search for something called rollover image, which is available here. Okay, when I select it, I have the image name, it is an optional, and have the original image and the rollover image. So let's say I'm going to browse one of the images that I have. I remember that I saved an image of Burj Khalifa, okay, and the other one also for Burj Khalifa, but different view and colors. So I will pick this one as the first image, and I will pick the second one, Khalifa 2, as the second image. You see it's automatically saved here. This is the good thing in creating a site. Okay, please keep this in mind, guys. Again, I will pick number 2, Khalifa 2, and if you have alternate text, if you want to type something that will be appearing there, it's fine. If you want to make it go to somewhere, also you can type http www.iat.ac.ae, let's say, and click OK. So when I save my file and I go again to the website, refresh it, you will find the rollover image here. If you pass the mouse over it, okay, it will be changing, so it will give me a very nice display. If you click on it, it will direct you to the IAT website. Okay, guys, So this is for inserting video and multimedia things, audio, images, rollover images. And now I'm going to move into creating a template. Now, the template is already designed, which will make my sites look more professional. Why we don't use templates? Because it's better to control the website in the way you like. But if you want to create a template and make your work much easier, you simply go to the File menu and make a new website. Go to Starter Templates, pick any of these templates. You can download your own, you can search the internet, you can put more and more templates here. One of the students and followers, they asked me to explain Bootstrap, and I will do that, but later on. Okay, I promise. So we have different type of templates. Okay, we will go to the basic. I will pick any one of these. Okay, and I will create this template. Now, if you see, the nice thing in templates that everything is ready designed. I need to change the things I like. So for example, if I go to the page properties and I want to change the white background into other background, let's say I want to make it blue, okay, and I want to, oh sorry, this is a text, it's fine. I will make it dark blue and I will make the background little lighter, okay. You can do anything you want. You can apply the setting that you want on the page and click OK, for example, it will be changed. Now the second thing, in the templates you can change the text. So you can say DreamWeaver CC 2020, okay. And also regarding the links, you can also change the links as well. So for example, if you want the about thing to be something else, you can change it from here. Okay, the same thing work, you can change it. You can link it, by the way, okay, easily also. If you, for example, go to about, you can link this about to, let's say, www.google.com. So it will become now a link, and you can do the same with the rest. If you scroll down, it's telling you there is a size of the image you can also insert here. You simply double click on this or click on it and you pick your image. Let's say I will put this Burj Khalifa here, so it's now fitted there. You can change also the pictures here, put your own design. You see how work is very, very simpler with the templates. It's very quick. You can change the text as you like, you can change the picture as you like, you can change the link also as you like. And if you save, for example, if you want to use a different type of let's say, and move to other images, no worries about everything. Everything will be saved in your images folder. So no need to copy and paste and do relinking, and which is the students are suffering of this, and learners are also struggling in this type of issues. Okay, second image, third image, and the last one. You just double click on it and it will take you to the setting, and you can change and do whatever you want. Okay, we are now in 2020, and you can say educational website or whatever. Now let's save my page. I will save it as temp in the same folder, okay, in my lesson 7 website. I will save it here. If you want to view it, guys, you do the same. View it from here, and you'll find a very nice design that will take a lot of time from me in order to finalize. You see the fitting of the website, you see the pictures, the effects that has ready-made on the pictures. It's like bootstraps. Okay, ready effects, also ready effects on the text. It's like a flash files, and this one also will do the job and go to Google or to IAT or whatever link you want. Maybe I missed something here, but it will work definitely. Okay, so this is also everything about templates. This is interesting. You will now do your best to create a very good website that has everything ready. Now guys, if you are going to work with templates, we have here 6 pages. Okay, so the thing that we are going to do in DreamWeaver, you need to save this one 6 times. Okay, and every time you will name one page. Let's say this is about. This will link me to about.html. So this is work, and it will link me to work.html. Portfolio, and it will link me to .html, and so on. Now what you're going to do is to save these pages, and you will do file, save as, about, and then file, save as again. I'm going to create copies of this these pages, work.html, and also I'm going to make a copy for portfolio.html. So I have 3 pages now, and links are working. If you want to check this, you just preview with Safari, and this one will take you to work, and this one to about, and this to portfolio. But you need to change the content. I don't want to explain how to do this. You know, the about, it will talk about the company. The work, it will talk about the work that is available in the company. The portfolio and services, clients, and contact us as well. Hopefully you get the idea. Now, let's say before publishing a website, I want to see how my website will look on mobiles or on tablets or on computers, laptops, and others. I can do that by doing it 2 ways. The first one, I can go on this one, and I can simply scan this barcode or type this code, and I will see it on my mobile. Sometimes this link is not performing well. It depends on the plugins maybe, or the things, you know, something in the website setting or web browser setting. We have another way, which I will go to the screen size here, and I will pick, if you have, for example, iPhone 7 Plus, iPhone 7, 6, iPad, and so on. So let's say I'm going to have iPhone 7. So this is how the page is going to look like when I browse it using my mobile, which is amazing, really. It's organized, it's fitted, nothing to worry about. If you have a tablet, you can change also to view it as an iPad. So you see that it has different type of view as well. You can adjust accordingly, okay? If you have Google Nexus or iPad Pro, the big one, and whatever. What was my size? I forgot really, but let's make it full size, and that's it. Okay guys, now let's come to the last part, which is how to publish my website. Now in order to do this, we need to have an FTP account that can be it can be gotten through some of the website hosting servers. Okay, some of them are free, but most of them are paid, but with a reasonable amount of money. It's not that expensive. The problem here is that I don't have at the moment any account on a paid like Bluehost. This is one example. If you go there, you need to, I think it's called Blue. Yeah, this is it. You can get started by here, signing up, paying this small amount of money, which is I think $4 monthly. Okay, take the basic one. They have a discount at the moment. Then after that, when you log in, you will find that control panel here that will take you to something called FTP. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. Okay, so this is the file transfer that we are going to upload my website to. Simply, at the moment, what we need to know is how to do the process, because this will come in the ACA exam, I'm sure. So I need to go to sites, and I'll go to manage sites. I will pick my site, let's say it's lesson 7. Oops, I'm sorry, I forgot one small step. Okay, manage site, this one. I need to go to the edit, okay, by clicking this small pencil. And here we go to servers, and I will add a server. This server is called FTP. I need to get the FTP address, and it will be given to us when we register here. You will find a control panel that has FTP. I will type it here. I will type my username and the password, and I will type the root directory that I want to save the website in. It might be, let's say, any title or any folder. You will type it here, and you will click save after testing the connection. Okay, at the moment, guys, I'm really sorry about this, but it is manageable, I'm sure. If you get the FTP address, everything will be fine. Now, the good thing in publishing a website is when you finish publishing and you want to add more files, you will simply select the file that you want to add, and you will go to site and type or click on put, and by this they will be updated immediately. It's amazing, it's like a magic, and then the whole world can see your work. Congratulations. Hopefully it's fine, everything is okay, you understand the lesson. This will be the end for DreamWeaver. Please like the page, subscribe, and also wait for the next week practice for ACA exam.